This is Stephen Evans, September 2020, and this is my Microlight Seagull 2, which I bought off another member of the club at St Michael's near Preston. A member of the club, Neil, took me in the back seat on a trip to Glastonbury near Penrith, and then a circular tour back over the Lake District in perfect weather at 5,000 feet with marvellous views. Phil, testing his blade Microlight, is having a bit of a problem with the engine, so has to sort that out before flying. It's a perfect day at St Michael's Airfield, just north of Preston. And this is my Microlight Seagull 1, which the test pilot is taking for a certification flight. I am starting my training, having done 4 hours so far. I will need about 30 hours to get my full license. It's a flight taken by another member of the club along the Lancashire coast around Blackpool, and you can look down and see the Blackpool Tower from about 5,000 feet up, and the Blackpool football ground. This clip was actually shown on the Northwest News on television recently. A view of Blackpool and Lancashire. And Morecambe Bay in front. This is a member of the club landing at St Michael's Airfield, close to Preston. The club has about 30 members, and they are all very helpful and give me good advice and tips about learning to fly. And the instructor, Graham, is well experienced and has been an instructor for more than 30 years, so I should be in safe hands.